Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Elko, NV. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Red Lion Casino is less than 15 minutes walk from this Elko Motel. Rooms feature cable TV. A seating area and a work desk are available in each room at the Motel 6-Elko. Laundry facilities is on site for guest convenience. An outdoor pool is available at the Elko Motel 6. The Elko Convention Center is 15 minutes drive from the motel. Western Folklife Center is 2 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.